Last month it was reported that Justice Tolson, the senior family judge in London Central Family Court, found that a woman had not been raped because she hadn't taken sufficient physical steps to protect herself. The Court of Appeal found that his judgment was, and I quote, manifestly at odds with current jurisprudence and based on obsolescent concepts around consent. Justice Tolson is still overseeing cases around domestic abuse and rape in the family court. And just this Monday, despite the Court of Appeal judgment, he made the same ruling again. Complaints have been made to the Judicial Ombudsman, and it's obviously right that this is handled completely independently of this place. But does the leader not agree that this judge should immediately recuse himself from all cases involving domestic abuse, and that the Ministry of Justice's review should be published urgently to ensure that victims of rape and domestic abuse are not re-traumatised by the family justice system?
I absolutely hear and understand what the Honourable Lady is saying, and her last point, that witnesses should not be re-traumatised, is absolutely right and fundamental, and in our justice system, victims ought to be at the heart of it and ought to be protected. I am, however, very limited as to what I can say about individual judges, though if I may give the Honourable Lady a steer, it is perfectly legitimate for this House to debate the behaviour and conduct of judges according to a specific motion, not, unfortunately, however, just in the back and forth of questions.